nasa GMA Sparkle ka na?
Happy.
Ano yung mga project mo ngayon sa Sparkle?
Di pa tapos. Bukas yung last na taping namin. May episode ako ng Tadhana. Saturday yun. Sugar Daddy yung episode. So sana panoorin niyo. Tapos Shining Inheritance din. May mga guest appearances ako doon. AOS. Sana maging regular. Pero I'm really grateful.
So, how does it feel naman yung environment from working with ABS and sa GMA sa Sparkle?
Actually, not much na adjust. Not much na difference naman. It's more of adjustment.
Sorry po, may beso lang.
Tapos pala sila.
And more on sa side ko na kailangan ko mas maging hindi naman extrovert, pero mas more mag-connect sa mga
Mas
tao.
all around ka sa GMA.
Oo.
Kasi
Well,
sa...
mas nagkakaroon ako ng TV exposures na acting. Sa ABS, madalas sa variety shows, sa Showtime, sa ASAP. I'm really grateful for that. Pero I was hoping din na magkaroon ng acting projects. But yun nga, dito sa GMA, mas nagkakaroon ako ng opportunity and chances.
Who are you supporting here sa Sinag Maynila?
Si Christoph.
Sa
Talahib. Kasi
Habang-
bida man.
okay, how about Tony?
Si Tony.
So
Di
what
ko
you
nga-
did?
Kasama siya sa What You Did.
Hindi ko alam na meron pala siya. Congrats to him. Hindi ko rin alam actually kaya di ko alam ano pala. May ganap pala ngayon.
Magkasunod
I'm just
yung
here
nila.
for Christoph.
For
lang
Christoph.
talaga.
Since
I was
pareho
unaware.
kayong bida man, right? So nag-catch up pa rin kayo ng ibang mga bida man, no?
Last namin was despedida ni Dan, Bidaman Dan, nasa Hong Kong kasi siya.
Doon na siya magbe-base or nag-work?
Sa Disney.
Sa Disney.
And, sorry to ask na, syempre you're on Sparkle na and alam mo naman yung around the issues na nangyari ngayon kay Sandro. So, anong stand mo or about this na nangyari kay Sandro? So,
I don't even know where to start. That's a sobrang bigat na issue
yes.
and that opens a lot of pain. To be honest, it opens a lot of pain. But all I can really say is I just hope na he heals. I'm more focused on Sandro kasi it's not an easy thing to experience. I'm sure even if wala na siya doon, so magma-manifest kasi yung PTSD. Tsaka yung narinig ko na sinasabi niya, he feels na parang nadidiri siya sa sarili niya. It's a lot. So yun, healing. And I hope he, gets through this.
Pero ikaw, personally, how do you handle yung mga indecent proposals?
I think indecent proposals, that's different from what he experienced. Indecent proposals, sometimes you just pwede mo naman i-ignore di ba? It's nothing. Pero yung nangyari sa kanya, something else.
So you are parang super against ka dun sa
Super
against sa harassment.
Oh yes. As in, I think it's one of the worst things that one human being can do to another human being. Is betray them, cross their boundaries, just take advantage of people.
On a lighter note naman, kasi the
Oo
movie is
nga.
about...
Para,
the movie is about Talahib. So ano yung mga parang kinatatakutan mo kapag nakakita ka ng Talahib?
Yung imagination ko, baka may nakaabang sa akin, or baka maligaw ako, yung mga ganun. So di ko alam, I don't know what the movie is gonna be about. So I'm excited din na panoorin yung mga pinaghirapan ng mga friends ko. Hindi lang si Christoph, si Jillian nandito rin. So I'm really excited to watch it.
And lastly na lang, since you're on Sparkle na, sino yung gusto mong maka-work top of your mind, top 3 na GMA artist or Sparkle?
Top 3?
Top of your mind na top 3.
Sino ba?
Top 3 ng top of your
Siguro yung mga naging friends ko. Hindi muna ako pupunta dun. Sa mga naging friends ko sa workshop, sila si Beatrice, si Gomez, si Dylan, sino pa ba? Si Mark. 3.
Ayan, trio. Thank you.
Thank you.
so
Okay,
much.
salamat.
Thank
Enjoy
you
the
din.
movie, guys.